Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you ate raspberries every single day? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into the juicy, tangy, and oh-so-healthy world of raspberries. Raspberries are one of nature's most delightful treats, vividly colorful, sweetly tangy, and bursting with nutrients. While they might seem like just another fruit in the produce section, raspberries are packed with incredible health benefits that can transform your body if you eat them daily. From their powerful antioxidants to their high fiber content, they're a nutritional powerhouse that supports nearly every system in your body. But what exactly happens when you make raspberries a daily habit? Let's explore how these tiny berries can impact your health, inside and out. First and foremost, raspberries are incredibly rich in antioxidants. These natural compounds, including quercetin, ellagic acid, and anthocyanins, play a critical role in protecting your body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful molecules called free radicals overwhelm your cells, potentially causing damage that can lead to aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. By eating raspberries every day, you're equipping your body with a steady supply of these protective compounds. Think of antioxidants as your internal defense system, neutralizing threats and keeping your cells healthy and functional. In the long run, this could reduce your risk of several chronic conditions and even slow the aging process at a cellular level. Another standout benefit of eating raspberries daily is the remarkable support they offer for digestive health. Fiber is one of the most important nutrients for maintaining a healthy gut, and raspberries are loaded with it. Just 1 cup contains about 8 grams of dietary fiber, which is a significant portion of the recommended daily intake for most adults. Fiber is essential for promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and keeping your digestive system running smoothly. But it doesn't stop there. Fiber also acts as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These good microbes, collectively known as your gut microbiome, play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mood regulation. By fueling them with the fiber from raspberries, you're fostering a thriving gut environment that supports your overall health. Raspberries also bring major benefits to your heart. They're rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, and they contain polyphenol, plant-based compounds that improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. Over time, these nutrients work together to support cardiovascular health. Daily consumption of raspberries may help lower your risk of heart disease by reducing arterial inflammation, improving circulation, and managing cholesterol levels. What's more, the low-calorie and fat-free nature of raspberries makes them an ideal snack for anyone looking to maintain heart health while managing their weight. Speaking of weight management, raspberries can be a game-changer for those looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight. Thanks to their high fiber content, they help you feel full for longer periods, reducing the urge to snack on less healthy options. At the same time, raspberries are naturally low in calories, only about 64 calories per cup, and contain no fat. This means you can enjoy them guilt-free as a satisfying snack, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Their natural sweetness also makes them a great substitute for sugary treats, helping to curb sugar cravings without sacrificing flavor. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. For individuals managing blood sugar levels, raspberries are a particularly smart choice. They have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar when eaten. Instead, their natural sugars are released into your bloodstream more slowly, thanks to the fiber content that moderates sugar absorption. This makes raspberries an excellent fruit option for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Incorporating them into your daily routine can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Let's not forget the beauty benefits of eating raspberries every day. Packed with vitamin C, these berries are a skin-loving superfood. Vitamin C is a critical nutrient for collagen production, which helps maintain the elasticity and firmness of your skin. By supporting collagen synthesis, raspberries can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Additionally, the antioxidants in raspberries help protect your skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants. Over time, a diet rich in raspberries can contribute to a healthier, more radiant complexion. Another area where raspberries shine is in boosting your immune system. Their high levels of vitamins C and E strengthen your body's natural defenses by promoting the production of white blood cells. These cells are your immune system's frontline soldiers, responsible for fighting off infections and protecting your body from harmful invaders. Antioxidants further enhance this protection by shielding your cells from damage, allowing your immune system to function at its best. By eating raspberries every day, you're helping your body stay resilient against common illnesses like colds and the flu, as well as more serious health threats over time. One of the lesser-known benefits of raspberries is their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a silent contributor to many diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. The anthocyanins in raspberries, which give them their beautiful red color, have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. If you suffer from joint pain, stiffness, or other inflammatory conditions, adding raspberries to your diet could help alleviate some of your symptoms while supporting your overall health. While the benefits of eating raspberries every day are impressive, it's also important to be mindful of potential downsides. For instance, their high fiber content, while generally beneficial, can cause digestive discomfort if consumed in excessive amounts. Overloading on raspberries might lead to bloating, gas, or even diarrhea, especially if your body isn't used to such a high intake of fiber. Additionally, some people may be allergic to raspberries, experiencing symptoms like itching, swelling, or hives. If you suspect an allergy, it's best to consult a doctor. Another consideration is the potential for pesticide residues. Raspberries are often listed among fruits that can contain higher levels of pesticides, so it's a good idea to wash them thoroughly before eating. If you're concerned about pesticides, choosing organic raspberries can be a safer option. And there you have it, folks. Eating raspberries every day isn't just delicious, it's a total game changer for your health. From improving your digestion and boosting your immune system to giving your skin that extra glow and supporting your heart, these little berries really pack a punch. So, if you're not already adding raspberries to your daily routine, what are you waiting for? Whether it's in a smoothie, on your oatmeal, or just as a snack, a handful of these super berries could make all the difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow berry lovers. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to enjoy raspberries? Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.